Go.
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Jerry, and today we learn how to use Python to write a program that will show the weather in next 5 days. And the problem we have, the most of code are just teach by Fernando, basically step by step. So the only problem I have is just how to change the data date into a text date. And the way I do that is Google Int, that's what we use today, and how to make that data to the week data. Then I try the different solutions and add those to my program. And for the future, if I have more time, I will do the better icon and to formatting the text. And also I realized there is a problem in the program that it will not clean the private weather. Well, I show the next one, and that's the thing I will fix if I have more time. So that's how the program finished project looks like. And about coding, this part is how I fix that problem. And basically just first you have a data, first have a date, and I need to split this date into 3 different variables, which is year, month, and day. And this, how do you call this? Dash. This dash means every time you see the dash, it will save the value into different variable. And the next line is we import the date time, and I can use that right here to save this year, month, day into an integer, which is data type. And next, just weekday, I make all this into a text, then output those into the program.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, let's give a round of applause.